Want to connect your Etsy shop with your customers at craft sales? Use a QR code. They take a photo, tap the link and instantly go to your Etsy shop. Go to my website to make one for free. No sign up or subscription required. Click this link to make a free QR code. Tap this link. A new window will open. Copy and paste your website, Etsy shop, YouTube videos and channels or social media link. Tap the Generate QR code button. Save the QR code like you would any picture on the internet. You can make QR codes for emails too. QR codes work on computer screens. This one goes to a YouTube short video. Add the QR code as you would any photo. When people take a photo and click the link that pops up, they automatically go there. This one links to my YouTube channel. Add the QR code to your tags, labels, packaging, business cards, posters, flyers, and thank you notes. Anywhere you're able to place a photo, you can add a QR code to link to your online presence.